Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing fine and are taking care of yourselves. My name is Kanika Tandon and I am here with the video of class 4th English first. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 21, adverb. Starting our today's video with our new chapter, that is chapter number 21, the adverb. So with the word adverb, if we break this word, you will understand. For example, adverb, right? Whenever we will break this word, it will become add plus verb, which means they are adding something to the verb. All right, so this something, when we talk about something, that is the some meaning to the verb. All right, so with the help of adverb, we actually add some meaning to the verb. That means verb is getting modified with the help of a word which we call adverb. For example, the bus will arrive shortly. In this sentence, let me ask you, what is a verb here? Arrive. Alright, so and how will the bus arrive? It will arrive shortly. So the thing that a sentence is telling about the verb, that word is known as adverb. Similarly, we crossed the street safely. So how did we, what is the verb here? Crossed. And how did we cross the street? Very safely. Alright, the driver stopped the car. What happened to the car? It stopped. So what is the verb here? Stopped. And how did he stop? How did it stop? Suddenly. So suddenly is the adverb. Alright, in these sentences, the words shortly, safely, silently, suddenly, and cheerfully tells us something more about the verb. Such words are known as adverbs. Alright, now there are types in which adverb is divided. Alright, so first is adverb of manner. So with the help of adverb of manner, we understand that what kind of manner is it showing, right? What kind of how the thing is done. For example, these girls walk slowly. How are the girls walking? They walk very slowly. They waited patiently. How did they wait? They waited patiently. All right, the boy writes badly. How does the boy write? Very badly. So these words tells us something about the verb, the manner, how the thing is done. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it long, short, or something? So these are adverb of manner. I hope you understood this. Let us come on to the next type. Next is adverb of time. With adverb of time, it is very simple to understand that we are talking when that thing has happened. All right, like if something has happened to the verb, when has it happened to it? For example, that day he came in late. So what is the verb here? Came. And how did he come? He came late. So this verb came is getting modified by the word late. So late is adverb here and it is telling us time. Alright, next is I shall now begin my journey. When shall I begin the journey? Now, right? So it is telling us time. Complete your task today. This is clearly telling us time, that we have to complete the task today itself. So in these sentences, the words late, now, today, soon, and early tells us when the action happens. They are called adverbs of time. Okay, they ask the question when. Alright, next is adverb of place. This tells us where the verb is getting modified, where has the thing happened. Go there. So what are you going to do? You're going to go there. So on that place, it is telling us the place. My bus comes here. Where does my bus come? Here. Alright, so this is telling place. So these are adverbs of places. In these sentences, the words here, there, here, abroad, everywhere, and outdoor tells us where the action happens. They are called adverb of place. They ask the question where. Alright, I hope you have understood all of this. Come on to the adverb of frequency. With the word frequency, it is understood that how many times that thing has happened, how often that thing has happened. All right. So the question is, Suresh is seldom late. So Suresh is not always late. Suresh is seldom late. So he could be late twice or thrice in a month. So it is telling us frequency, how many times. All right. Next is he always tells a lie. So if there are 30 days in a month, he tells a lie every day. So it is telling us the frequency, how much lie does he tell. She rarely meets us. Yeah, meets me. Okay, so this tells us that she rarely, so we know how frequently she meets. So in these sentences, the word seldom, always, rarely, regularly, and twice tells us how often someone does something, or how often things takes place. So this is adverb of frequency. They ask the question how often or how many times. Okay, with this, the explanation part of the chapter is over. I hope you have understood it. Let us come on to the exercise. Okay, pick out the adverb of time in the following sentences. Also name the verb with which each is used. Okay, so first we have to write the adverb and then we have to write the verb. So obey your elders instantly. So instantly is the adverb and obey is the verb. Good children go to bed early. Early is the adverb, go is verb. We shall get our appointment letters tomorrow. Tomorrow is the adverb, get is the verb. That day all the people arrived late. Late is the adverb and arrived is the verb. They will start their journey now. Now is the adverb and start is the verb. The letter came a few days ago. Ago is the adverb and came is the verb. Next is pick out the adverb of place in the following sentences and write them in the blanks. So she lives a long way from here. Here is the adverb of place. They come from there. There is the adverb of place. His companions have gone out. You have to write out. The manager sat inside. Inside. The assistant has got upstairs. Upstairs. I have been looking out for her everywhere. And the answer is everywhere. Now we have to circle the odd one out. So play, always, exactly, madly, honestly. These all are adverbs. Play is verb. We have to circle play. Never, poorly, discover, totally, seriously. So never, poorly, totally, seriously is the adverbs. Discover is the verb. Safely, shine, usually, brightly, widely. Everyone, everything else is the adverb. Shine is verb. Far away, frequently, exactly, flame. Flame is the verb. Weakly, late, flee, quickly, nearly. Flee is the verb. Teach, often, next, once, nervously. Teach is the adverb. Sorry, teach is the verb. Quietly, decently, politely, cry, technically. Cry is the verb. Rarely, aside, hourly, up, card. Card is the adverb. I'm sorry. Card is verb. Coming on to the next page. Fortunately, stick, yesterday, happily, suddenly. Stick is the verb. Soon, silently, napkin, together, oddly. Napkin is noun. Kindly, today, twice, river, seldom. River is noun. Rarely, surely, forever, daily, island. Island is noun. Confuse, perfectly, slowly, truly, tomorrow. Confuse, which is verb. Now, appear, instantly, only, heavily. Appear, which is verb. Sometimes, before, rarely, dance, yearly. Dance is verb. And in question number 9, I said stick is verb. If this stick is like sticking something after placing Fevicol there, if that stick is then it is a verb. And if that is stick with which that stick, you all know what a stick is. If that stick is there, it is noun. All right, now coming on to the last exercise. Fill in the blanks with the adverb of manner. Okay, so they are given already given in the bracket. We have to write in the the adverb form. So he painted the picture nice. It will become nicely. I helped the people gracious. It will become graciously. He held the tray carefully. John dressed smartly. The boy jumped playfully. He spoke to his brother firmly. You talked to me angry in anger. The spelling, I'm sorry, spelling is wrong. You have to write, you talked to me angrily. Okay, next is he walked slowly. He ran fastly. With this, the chapter is over, and I hope you all have understood it. And I request all of you to please complete your work till chapter number 21. And in my next video, next week, I'll be coming up with the chapter number 22. Take care, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you. Have a good day.